Across Myanmar, millions of families like Domya Us depend on agriculture, livestock, and fish. But often, the food harvested from small family farms is not enough to support the household, contributing to undernutrition, limited incomes, and fewer opportunities for parents and children. Cheap and nutritious fish provides over 60% of Myanmar's animal source food, and demand is growing. However, capture fisheries are in decline and fish is often still unaffordable and inaccessible for poor rural households, particularly in mountainous areas. Aquaculture is rising to fill this gap and offers a solution for families like Domya Us. But adopting small-scale aquaculture can be challenging without the right knowledge and resources. Household ponds may be neglected or unsuitable for fish farming due to unreliable water supply, particularly in Myanmar's north and central dry zone. The Fish for Livelihoods project is revitalizing valuable household ponds to take advantage of the demand for fish and transform lives and improve livelihoods. Through proper water supply management, introducing quality fish seed and feed and polyculture methods, training on agriculture and nutrition, plus access to credit, small-scale farmers have the opportunity to sustainably expand their earning potential, access markets, and boost family nutrition. Teaching improved sanitation and hygiene behaviors, called WASH, is helping protect health, stop the spread of disease, and create food-safe fish products. Through small differences and new technologies, big changes can be made. For these changes to be sustainable and long-term, Fish for Livelihoods is strengthening the industry from producers right through to markets. Uaon has been in the aquaculture business for more than 2 decades. His hatchery and nursery in Tilo village, Nyangsui Township, are one of the main fish seed sources across 4 regions. However, his hatchery has been suffering high mortality rates due to the poor quality of water from the reservoir. Under guidance from wildfish researchers through the Fish for Livelihoods project, Uaon installed improved equipment such as a water filtration system, fiber tanks, steel-made incubation jars, and oxygen tower. Through improved technology and water quality, his hatchery has increased its production by 20%. Now he is sharing his success and passing down this technology to neighborhood hatchery and nursery owners, and extending his support to communities in need. By 2024, Fish for Livelihoods will benefit at least 10,000 people like Uaon and Domya U, thanks to support from USAID. Families and entrepreneurs are being empowered to improve their financial position, health and nutrition, and together are working towards a prosperous future for Myanmar.